Today's dish is going to be lovely, delicious, but the whole trick is how you're going to prepare khichdi in this beautiful rice cooker. As simple as possible and very easy to prepare. Just follow my steps and you will have khichdi to eat today. Good day everybody. Today it's a special dish and it's going to be khichdi. Khichdi is actually originated, I think so, from Mumbai or Bombay. That's where I saw it. It's nothing but rice mixed with lentil and other flavors like ginger, garlic, onion and other garam masala mixed together into one single dish. Alright, so you can see I've just got one onion, I've got some cloves, I've got some sticks, I've got some curry leaves, salt for sure, there's some jeera or cumin seeds. I've soaked some moong dal, half a cup means half a cup in water for around say 3 hours. I've got ginger garlic paste, I've got diced tomato because I don't have fresh tomatoes, I've got some lemon juice, I've got some turmeric powder, and I will show you the process how to prepare this beautiful dish. Don't forget, if you're the person who likes a lot of spice, remember habanero chili. Just chop them into fine pieces and put them in your rice. Alright, you need to first add some oil in a pan and brown your onions. Alright, once they are brown and you feel they are not turning black, remember that's the time you add the cloves and your cinnamon sticks. Alright, okay, now your onion is brown, it's time for you to put the cloves and the cinnamon sticks. Okay, and slowly stir. Once it gets a bit brown, remember that's the time you need to drop the cumin seeds. Alright, that's for the tempo. It's time for cumin seeds. Okay, not too much, just for the temper, and don't make them get black. Alright, just keep working on it. Just keep working on it. You have to keep it closer to the oil. Okay, just follow these simple steps. Alright, now it's ready. You need to drop this inside your rice cooker. Okay, so very simple and easy, just drop it. It's time now to drop your rice in there. Okay, it's 1 cup, so it has to be 2 cups of water, so you need to also minus the water from your lentil. Right, now it's time for you to lightly roast your curry leaves. Remember, do not burn them, you need to roast them. Right, there you go, curry leaves go in there. Okay, and then your half cup of soaked lentil. Okay, be careful with your measurements. So now it is 2.5 cups, that is 2 cups, one, it's 1 cup of rice, half a cup of lentil, so you have to put 3 cups of water. Time to add your turmeric. Make sure it's just half a teaspoon. Okay, there you go, turmeric in there. Alright, a nice heap of ginger garlic paste. Alright, not too much. It's time now to add your chopped habanero chili. Alright, add a bit of lime to give that soury taste, not too much, eh? Okay, and then add your lovely salt, just enough to your taste, not too much. Again, not too much, you can always add later, remember, not too much. Okay, it's time to add 3 cups of water. Okay, and then give it a nice stir. Okay, very good stir. You can taste, to make sure your salt is in place. Alright, and then it's time to close the lid. Okay, and you have to turn it to cook. All right, wait for it, it will cook for you and you don't have to worry about it. And make sure you attend to it time to time and your khichdi will be ready soon. I'll come back to you later. It is getting there. It's 25 minutes and my khichdi is perfectly ready. Okay, try this lovely khichdi at home and you will not be sorry. It's one of those special dishes I love. There you go, the perfect khichdi. Try it at home and you will love it. Thank you guys.